I'm walking right next to this Louis Vuitton hotel. Check these guys out, working on this thing. Cleaning her up. Huh. Yeah, anyway, so I'm out here. A secret mission. My second time out here. I've been trying to apply for something. So there's so much going on. Alright guys, so you guys been seeing on my story why I've been in Paris. Here's the big hint. I'm here to apply for a visa to go to China, but I guess I'm missing some paperwork or something. They told me I can go apply to this agency, pretty much do it for me instead of me doing it on my own. That way I don't have to come back. Alright, well now I gotta walk 20 minutes. Oh, that's where I'm headed now. It's like a 20 minute walk to this agency, travel agency. Ah, mira, está buena esta. Oh no. Shit. Excuse-moi, est-ce que vous connaissez le visa agency pour le visa?
Là, c'est ici, c'est à gauche.
C'est ici?
Peut-être la petite.
Ah, côté pizza.
C'est ça.
Here we go. Visa International. How do you ring? Oh, there we go. Wait, it's on his phone chilling. Do I knock on the window or knock here? What, dude?
Bonjour.
Oh, bonjour.
Vous cherchez quoi?
Visa, entrée.
Ah.
C'est...
Là.
Merci. Bonjour. Bonjour.
Oui.
Ok. Je viens de la visa chinoise.
D'accord. Bon, visa chinoise, allez-y.
Merci. Bonjour. Parlez avec votre collègue sur le chinois et. Alright, I think I just finished applying.
Yeah.
At the place. And well, they need me to send like a few more papers, but then alright, well, I'm gonna go find some to eat. Can't tell if that guy's wearing it like in a fashion way or is like. Look at you guys, check it out. These dudes are getting scammed. It's the game.
No photo for me. Photo attends tourner pour
It's a game of
Photo.
Yeah.
Regardez, pas problème.
Alright, pal.
Go, 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 go.
No video here?
No picture, no picture. Don't let today full picture.
Homie didn't want me to record because they know they're scamming. Dude, so like this is the old Paris Olympic stuff. It's like some abandoned stuff. All deserted now from the Olympics. Left to rot now, I guess. It used to be like one of those little sporting things, activities, you know, they had around for the, you know, the Avatar. Yeah, the homie didn't want me. Didn't want me recording. I was just like, oh wow, what is this? That's hilarious. No video, no video. Scammers are funny. You guys are hilarious. I should play it. I should play the game. Dude, look. It's like one of those sporting things. Just abandoned. So if you guys want to know what happens after the Olympics with all the activities, well, there you go. Dude, fruit. Got my little fruit cup here by that tire. Sweet.
Perfetto.
Gracias.
Ciao.
Ciao. Take care. Later. Nice for a lot of mango, but oh well. I'm gonna go enjoy this underneath the F Tower.
You speak English.
Bonjour.
Won't you sing for me, Caroline? So this is a station for deaf me, purchasing document for him.
No sé por qué es.
Won't you sing?
Where are you from?
México.
México. Hola, firma CITES para niños, sordo y muto para handicapado. Firma si tu nombre donde eres. Muchas gracias.
Homegirl saw the police and just dipped out. It's another scam if you guys don't know. Doesn't like everyone know by now these scams? Yo. Mid-Tav Tower. Got my hat. Got my City Del Rio hat. I'm going to a place where supposedly they have the best barbecue stop in all of Europe. That's a good view. You guys, real quick, I'm gonna use this camera as a mic. I just want to point out while I'm sitting here, I never cared about coming to Paris ever, and let alone living here, and I'm just tripping out. I really be living out here, huh? I really be living out here. I'm getting a real mic soon, by the way. I'm getting a real mic soon, by the way. You guys, I'm at the Apple Store. Oh, fell. At the Apple Store, guys, charging my phone.
This is compatible with Apple. The other one.
Dude, my dude's out here just fucking. My dude's just casually getting kicked out of the Apple Store. Alright, I'm back to where the Louis Vuitton thing was. I just gotta walk to the train station. So I gotta rush to make that. It's 5:54. They open at 6:30. 30-minute trip to get there and back. So I don't know if I can make it, but I'm gonna try, right? My train leaves at 8. Inspired by Austin. It smells good.
There is the bone inside the bone.
Bonsoir monsieur. Dites-moi tout, qu'est-ce qui vous ferait plaisir? How many grams of brisket you want? Pulled pork.
Yeah.
Okay, brisket and bun and a pulled pork. Pulled pork in a bun or just the meat? Huh?
How it comes is fine.
Pulled pork bun like that. Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Unfortunately, I'm not getting ribs. Those look pretty damn good.
Beef cheek.
Beef cheek? Oh, beef cheek. Beef cheek. Oh yeah, it looks so tender. Oh, there's the brisket.
Look at that.
There's mine right there. I think. I bet you love your job, huh?
So,
Hey.
Brisket bun.
Alright.
It's okay?
Thank you. Pulled pork and some brisket. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so tender. Oh my god, this is great. Oh my god, you doing? Tell me to hook it up next time. Oh, look at this, with all the grease. Holy shit. Sorry, Mom, this is the best barbecue I've ever had. This ain't real. There's no way this is this good, bro. Holy shit. No exaggeration. Best barbecue I've ever had in my life. I ain't heard him get going. Oh, there's tons of people now. Well, that was... I thought it was gonna be pretty good. I had high hopes. But that shit exceeded what I thought. Gotta hurry up. I made it. Alright. See you later, Paris.